The 414A 414X High Yield Toner Cartridges 4-pack is an excellent replacement option for various Color Pro MFP and Color Enterprise printers. Each toner cartridge in this pack can produce up to 2,400 pages for black and 2,100 pages for color, ensuring long-lasting performance. FIREINK ensures high quality with these toner cartridges, which are compatible with both 414A and 414X models and come with the necessary chips pre-installed. This set includes 4 cartridges in black, cyan, yellow, and magenta, providing comprehensive color coverage for all your printing needs. The cartridges are designed to seamlessly work with a range of popular printers, including the MFP M479fdw, M479fdn, M414DW, and M454DN models. With a robust build and reliable performance, these toner cartridges are a cost-effective solution for both home and office printing tasks.